Hello friends, I'm Sujit Patel. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn and Earn with Sujit Patel. And today I'm here to explain you or review the product JavaScript Commission Bot. And what we'll do here today is we'll review the product and we'll see the sales page, what it is offering. Then we'll move to the sales page, the bonus page. Then we'll try to install the JavaScript Commission Bot extensions on Chrome. Then I'll show you on my Instagram and Twitter account that how we can um, use that on my account to increase our followers. Okay, so I'll take you through all these one by one. So let's move to the members area. So I'm here in the members area of JavaScript Commission Bot, and I'll take you through all the steps whatever it includes here one by one. So before that, what we need is um, I'll explain what if you are going for this, then what you will get here. So just quickly move into uh, my bonus page. So this has been released today, and this offer will be expired within the 2 days of timing you can see here. So let's quickly go through my offering and the bonus page, what you will get if you will buy using my link provided below uh, below with the in the description area. Okay, so let's move into that this document. So if you are going to purchase this, then first of all, I am from my side I am offering 10 more free bonuses, as well as you will get the vendor bonuses if you are going to purchase this through my link. So I'll explain what is JavaScript Commission Bot. JavaScript Commission Bot is nothing but two Chrome extensions. One is for Instagram and one is for Twitter, and which we install as an Chrome extension using Chrome browser only. So there is nothing complexity to install it. It hardly takes 10 minutes to configure, even for the newbie or beginners. Okay, so what it can do is it basically works on Instagram and the Twitter account to increase your followers so that you can promote your product and earn money online. That's is its goal. That's what this product has been designed, and it adheres to both Instagram and Twitter's usage policy because it works on the client side. It is a JavaScript extension, and it is equivalent to whatever you do on mobile, like tap your finger on buttons, so it will automatically do that, and it doesn't violate any policy or rules, so it is purely safe to use. So this product has been designed by the super affiliate, the greatest affiliate, Jono Armstrong, and he has been earning millions and millions of dollars of money through online, and he has recently launched this product to to the online marketers. Okay, so without wasting time, just I'll take you through what are the bonuses you will get here. So as a part of this offer, you'll get 10 bonuses from my side along with the 3 vendor bonuses and few done for you campaigns. So you can see the bonus number 1 is affiliate marketing action plan, which actually worth of $427.95. The second one is bonus number 2. It is a WordPress plugin, and using which you can install it on your WordPress, and you can promote your ClickBank products. So what it does is it actually creates a page for you, and it provides a link so that you can promote that on different social media websites or your Instagram and Twitter account. Okay, so next bonus is how to explore your YouTube channel with traffic. So if you are a newbie or beginners, then you can learn how you can quickly explore the traffic to your YouTube channel. Bonus number 4 is, it says 51 social media marketing methods to build your business. So it will teach you for that. Bonus number 5 is how to turn 3 books into 7 and double your profit whenever you are selling on any site like Amazon or Instagram, Twitter, like that. Bonus number 6 is learn affiliate commission formula and boost your income every month. Okay. Bonus number 7 is learn 30 ways to get free traffic and earn more and more. Bonus number 8 is learn how to generate 2000 in 20 minutes with Facebook. It can be done, but how it can be done, that's a mystery, and you can get it to know using from this book. Okay. The next one is bonus number 9, enhance your income to make 5-figure earning using JavaScript commission bot. So it reveals the secret of earning more and more. How you can make it, you can learn from this bonus. And the last but not least, finally, one pro software article rewriter pro. So this is really one of the best article rewriter. So specifically it is very useful for the beginners who wants to create contents and post it to websites or blogs, or improve their traffic on their websites. So check it out, guys. This is very good one, very good one. So this, you can see this worth $397 of value, and apart from that you will be getting 3 huge bonuses from vendor directly when you will be purchasing this, which worth $597, okay, of value, what you will be getting uh, for free if you are purchasing this. So, and you can see the countdown has already started, and there you have 2 days and these offers will go away. Okay, so I'll explain you a bit later on how on this, how you'll purchase and what you will be getting, then we'll move forward. Okay, so if you choose to go for it, then click on any one of the button and it will take you to this sales page, and I'll suggest you watch this promo video, and it is really very creative and very nicely created, and you will enjoy looking into this. And actually this video is very creative, and it answers your all of your frequently asked questions and how you can utilize this bot to maximize your profit. Okay, so very clearly, very much well explained here, so you can watch this when you will move to the sales page. Okay, then you will purchase this product and download them. Okay, so let's move to the sales page a bit, and here few of the testimonials are written. You can see they have uploaded there like that, what it can do. You already know that to make money online you will need to is traffic and offers. So you only need a traffic, offers, then commission will be come to your bank account automatically. Okay, so it is a complete package which provides actually you to get set and start. Okay, so nowadays what most of the sellers are doing, they are only selling products, but they are not telling how to get traffic and how to get money instantly. They are, no doubt, they are designing very good products or good creating very good products, but they do not reveal or tell you that how to get much traffic so that we can sell our product and promote our products and earn money online. But this product is not like that. In this product, it is a complete package. You will get traffic done for you, campaigns, and you will be getting your affiliate link, and you just start with the button, click start and stop and earn money, okay, online 24 hours. So we can go through this sales page later on. It is a very long one, and read it carefully, okay. And you can see there are demo videos are also there, so how you can use your bot here, they have explained like that. So I'll just jump to the last one, and I'll show you what are the bonuses you will be getting here. So as I told, you will get the vendor bonuses using, if you are choosing to purchase this JavaScript commission bot. The first one is get huge traffic using Instagram influencer course, so you'll be getting it for free. Second one is access to Gemini. Gemini is a recently launched product just 1 month ago, and it is very 3-in-1 product for building your email list and creating landing page and get it promoted using this product. So you'll be getting access to here. And third one is the access insurgency. This product is also is very good product. You can earn or boost your income online. You will get access to this product as well, okay. So this is now decision time, they are saying, and you can go through frequently asked questions and all this stuff are there, so you can go through them later. So once you purchase this product using one my link that I have provided the link below this video in the description area, you go to that link and check that link, and you will be navigated to this page. Click on this button, then it will take you to the sales page and buy there, okay. So once you buy, so it will be shown on your Warrior Plus account, and like this, and you will see, just you click on purchase history, and you will see your product will be listed here. You click on any product, and you will get your bonuses listed here. See, access your purchase and access your affiliate bonus, okay. So you will get all your bonuses, the 10 free bonuses that I am providing, and the 3 bonuses from vendor. You should be able to access it from here. So when you click on access to your purchase, it will take you to this members area, which I have already got access to that, you can see. So what you will do is you have to watch this video and welcome video and how you can use this bot. Then quickly I will take you through that, how you can download the extension. Click on this link, installing Instagram and Twitter extension, then navigate to download Instagram extension and download Twitter extension. So when you click on these 2 button, it will download 2 extensions to your machine. Yeah, you can see here I have already downloaded and extracted them. So after downloading, you need to extract them. Then I'll show you how to install them on Chrome, because most of may not know how to install the Chrome extension manually using a zip file and extract it and upload it in your Chrome extension. So you go to Google, then you click on setting like this, click on setting, it will take you through to the setting page. Click on extensions here, click on extensions, so I'll just drag a bit so that you will be able to see. Click on extension here, then it will take you through this just a minute, I'm setting so that you will be able to see it properly. When you click on this extension, it will take you to this page, and you can see nothing is listed here, so you are not able to see anything here initially. So you have to enable this developer mode. um, First of all, it will be switched off. You have to enable this, then it will be visible. So now what we have to do is, before that you need to uh, unzip these two extension to the folders. Okay, right click on this and click on extract to this directory. For this second extension also, extract to this directory. Okay, so it will be extracted to this directory to two folders like this. Then what we'll do is just click on load extension. I'll adjust a bit again. Okay, click on load extension or load pack unpacked extension. Then click on your browse to your file explorer wherever you have actually downloaded them and extracted them, and just point to your root folder, that means the folder name, and select the folder. Okay guys, so browse this folder and go inside it, and click on this inside folder. Two folders will be seen here. Click on this second folder which contains the manifest file and the src. Just click on that second folder and click on select folder, so you'll see it is installed now. Okay, so similarly we'll install the second extension. Click on load unpacked. Go back to the root folder, click on JavaScript commission bot for Twitter. Again click on this folder and select the folder. So if you'll see, both the extensions are now installed to our Chrome browser. This is for Instagram Autoflow, and this is for JavaScript commission bot for Twitter 1.0. Okay, so this is the process how you should install your extensions here. Okay, so now without wasting time, just I'll take you through this. So let's see a demo how it works on Instagram and Twitter. Okay, as we have already installed the JavaScript commission bot extension to our Chrome browser, and I'll just show you quickly how it works on Instagram and Twitter. So you can see I have recently created this Instagram profile. I do not have more followers here. So what we'll do is, now just we'll search for an account that we want to follow in our niche, and let's go for it. Suppose I'll search for make money online. Okay, so I'll select this. So now you can see this guy is having 20,000 followers in his profile, and he is promoting his link, maybe any product or whatever that is. You can check it later on. And now what I'll do is I'll just click on followers, that means who others are following to this guy. So I'll click on this, and you can see there are list of followers it is showing here, and I'll just activate this extension here, and now it is showing as stopped. I'll click on start. See, now it has started generating the data, if you'll see here. Okay, and it is scrolling, auto scrolling here, that means it is following, and after some time it will be seeing that my followers count, yeah, my following count will be increased there in my profile. So it's worked like a charm, guys. Just go for it. You will not get this offer after 2 days. seriously, it is working like a charm, and you can promote your product with a button click. And see, you can see in front, I'm just doing live to my account, and it has started following all of them, right? So for the demo purpose, I'll just stop it now, and we'll just go to our profile, and after some time it will be updated because it was working there on and it was started following into that, but I just showed you how it works on that. Okay, so now let's move it to the Twitter account, and you can see in this account as well, uh, I do not have much followers on it because recently I have created for this demo purpose. Okay, so let's move to the home page. Okay, so now I'll search on same niche, make money online. I'll just click on it, and you can see the followers for this account, 14.3k, then 14,000 followers for this account. So what we'll do is now we'll activate our extension or plugin for our Twitter account to work on it. Okay, see, now it has been opened, and I'll just click on start button. And so before clicking on start button, you need to click on follow us. Okay, so you need to have open this window here, then only you can activate this extension and then click on start. So if you will observe here, it will start collecting those data and just keep on following. I'll click on start. Yeah, it says that bot has started, and you can see scrolling here, that means it is following now. So it works well, guys, in Instagram and Twitter, and you will have thousands of followers that you can reach to them, and you can promote your product there. Okay, so you can see it is scrolling, it is working like a charm. I have never seen a product like this before, so great, go for it. So I'll stop it now. For the demo purpose, I just showed how it should work, and it is working as expected. So the next step is I'll just navigate to the members area. So now I'm on the members area. So here you'll get the welcome video here. You just have to watch it after purchasing. Then the next one is installing Instagram and Twitter extension from these buttons, and I just showed you how we installed and just make it working on our Chrome browser for Instagram and Twitter account. Okay, so that makes things simpler. And let me know if you are facing any issues, and comment me. I'll just try to explain if in case it is not working for someone. And the next one is setting of offers and training videos. Okay, so this is important one because this is the done for you campaign, that this is designed already for done for you. So you just go and generate your campaign here. So how this works, I'll just let you know. Anyway, when you will purchase it, you will go through this video, and that will be much clearer. But for this demo purpose, I'll quickly let you know how it works. Okay, so for this, first you need to have an affiliate link, that the product which you want to promote on Instagram, like this, and in Twitter we can put your link there also. So in Instagram, just edit the profile, and I can put my link here, and it will appear there. Okay, in Twitter also similarly like that. So what I'll do is I just try to demonstrate you how it works. So once you purchase, you will have a account access to Warrior Plus, and will find some product here from this offers. Then apply for affiliate link, and you get a affiliate link like this. Okay, so I'll just copy. I have already got received my affiliate link. I want to promote this now, so I can do that now. So I'll copy this and just move it to this page members area, and I'll click on generate your campaign here. Okay, and I'll just select my name. Or now whatever we have copied from this affiliate link, we'll paste it here. Okay, now so these are two advanced things. Then Pixel ID and Google Analytics you will come to know later on when you will set your Facebook Pixel ID, Google Pixel, and Google Analytics to monitor how your promotion is going on, to check that. So for now, here it is included two products to promote, Cartel and Invisible, for your purchase. And after putting your affiliate link here, I just click on generate, and you will see within a second of time it will be done for you. Okay, look here, it has generated two links here to promote, and this is the link that you will be promoting. So I'll just click on this link, and this is the bonus page when for you, when anyone buys anything from you, that you can send these bonuses to them. Okay, so I'll click on this, the first one, the product page, and it is already pre-designed for you. Okay, see, already well designed or well structured, and everything is there. And see, you do not have to do anything here. You do not have to do anything here. So already done for you. So when anyone comes and click on this button, then it will be redirect to your affiliate link and the sales page with your affiliate link, and that person will buy from this Warrior Plus, and you can access his purchase from here. Okay, so what next step will be there is, so this is how you promote a product. And what I'll do now is, this is my link generated for me. Now I'll promote this product to my Instagram account. Okay, just copy it, and I'll show that. But before that, okay, let's move to this Instagram account, and you click on your profile, edit profile, and here you can mention that link here. So if the links looks too long, then what you will do is, we have one website which shorten your link, right? It's called Bitly, or any shortener URL provider. Okay, so I'll just paste it, the long link, then I'll short it. See now how much it is short, how short it is now. Okay, so just copy it and go to my Instagram account, and just so I'll copy it again. I believe last time it was not copied properly. Okay, I'll copy it again from here, or copy the link address, then go to this, then paste it, then shorten. Yeah, now it is good, I believe. Then copy it. Now I'll go to my Instagram account and paste it here. Okay, so after pasting, just submit it, and I'll just move to my home page. You'll see that link is there. Okay, and when I click on this link, and when you will be promoting that, and when you have lots of followers now, when they will be clicking on this link, it will take you to your offer page. See, I'm promoting this now, so it is taking me for the offer page. Okay, so this was an example you can do for that. Later on you'll get affiliate link for this cartel. Okay, for that you can do that later. So after, when someone purchase, what will happen is, you need to send one bonus link. So bonus link is also already created for you, and when you click on this, it will uh, provide you the bonuses for the customer who have purchased from you. Okay, so you can directly send them link, and it can be configured directly here in Warrior Plus. Okay, so no need to worry about that. So automatically it will send to that customer who have purchased this that product from you. So that's how it works. So click on the description, the link provided below in the description. Click on that link. It will take you to this page, and just click on this button. It will take you to the sales page, and you can purchase this uh, without any complexity and enjoy earning. Okay, so do like, subscribe, and share this to my YouTube channel, and share with your friends, and enjoy earning online money. Okay, take care, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.